So I had this issue in a previous video and I wanted to go over it just in case anybody else has this issue and they don't want to watch my whole other video about this, about texturing this shoe. So I noticed that when I make a texture, I get a rendering issue when I make a texture using this Substance plugin. And it's not really an issue, but it's an issue if you don't want it. So Substance has like a connection, a link in Maya, and it's really awesome. And to create a texture, you can very simply just go to this little 3 image thing with a hypershade picture, and this will pop up. And you're going to select all of your maps that you have created. And oftentimes I'll just do a big sweep when I create them from Substance. So I'll just create all the maps at once. And obviously they're named according to the part of the shoe that I want to texture. So for this example, I'll just use the shoe sides. So we're going to go I'm just going to grab them all. The TX files are created by Maya. So I've already textured this, so that's why they exist. But in the beginning, you'll just have the PNGs. And yeah, this is what Substance output for me. So I'm just going to select them all, and it'll pick the right ones for the right the maps, I guess. So base color is already getting applied. It's really easy. Apply. And then once you've applied, you need to now put that texture on the part that you want. So you're going to go to existing material. It'll create an existing material. And it always becomes an AI standard surface. So, and it'll be the most recent one. So not 1, but 2 in this case. And if I render it out, this is where I get the issue. Yeah. I get a very strange looking, distorted geometry, just in the render, not in the viewport. So to fix that, you just go to Hypershade, which is up here. It's the shading menu. And on that texture, you're going to go to the displacement shader, and there's a displacement map attached. And that's kind of the problem with doing a big sweep, is that you don't really want a displacement map for this. We have a normal map, so we don't need that. And it's not necessary. So if you just right click and then you break that connection and it was yellow, it will no longer be yellow. You can get out of there, re-render it, and you'll see that it is exactly how I want it now. So that is how to solve that issue. If you're having strange renders and you don't know why, it's probably a displacement map. And also, if you want to avoid that altogether, you can just not connect that in the height. So there was a height map when I just let all my sides in. It did fill this. So if I don't want that, I can just probably, I don't actually. You might want to instead just select all maps but the height one in this case. So I'm not quite sure how to break it, but I see that height's there. So I would just go like that. Yeah. Well, in the early stages, you just wouldn't keep height selected when you create when you select your multiple maps, and that will avoid this altogether. But yeah, that's it. So if you're having a weird render and you need to get rid of that, it's as simple as Hypershade and disconnecting the displacement map. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.